Here's how to turn off Adobe Acrobat Updater or Auto Update. Open your Adobe Acrobat and go to Edit. Open Preferences. Here select Updater and you'll find this Updater option at the bottom of this categories list. Here you will find Automatically Install Updates option. So to disable automatic update for Acrobat, just uncheck this option and then click on OK. Click on Yes. After that, click on your computer search bar and type here Computer Management. Open it. Here, expand Task Scheduler and then click on Task Scheduler Library. And here, you'll find Adobe Acrobat Update Task. Status currently is ready, so it's ready to update. Now right click on Adobe Acrobat Update Task and then click on Disable. And this will disable automatic update for Adobe Acrobat. And that's it.